Let's play ultraviolet. I do not want this set. I want one color chess. And let me have sound as. So I am black in this. Okay. Oh no. Mate on the first move. Let's try and focus. Oh no. Okay, end game is a bit easier in one color. So yeah, first win with one color. So that's nice. Let's move on. So I'm white, right? Yeah. Up against a 2100 player. Let's berserk. He berserks backs. Thank you. Oh, I could have captured the queen. But yeah, I take these 2 pawns. Let me just. Yeah, flagged. He was 2 seconds faster than me. Okay, I'm black in this one against 1400. Oh no, I don't know how I'm so low on time. Let's free move. It's free move time. Yeah, but I flagged. So yeah, was a bit slow on that game. Okay, I am white against a 1200 player. Yep, won. I was a queen up at the end position. Quite nice. Okay, against a 1600 player, and I am white. Okay. Oh no. Okay, sacked his queen. Okay, good. Oh no, I sacked it back. Oh, weird stuff going on. Oh no! What is this? Okay, free rook. Let's take it. Let's take all his pieces. There's one of his pawn here. Let's mate him. Okay, but before he mates, he flags. Okay, up against a 1700 player and I am black. Oh no. Okay, he tries that. Oh no. Free piece again. Oh wow, free queen. Let's give him checks. How do I give him checks? Maybe aim for this square. Yeah, create a pin. Yeah, so victory against a 1700 using one color. That's quite nice. Okay, I am white in this. Let's go. Oh no. Oh, it's axis queen. Okay, good. That's good. Let's find that mate. Where is that mate? Yep, mated him. I was down on time. So up against a 1600 player now. I am white. Oh no. Two bishops gone for the... Okay, sacks this. Oh, free queen. Thank you. Yep, mate. Nice. Up against an 1800 player now and white. Let me play Alak Heinz. He goes like this. I'll play d6. Okay, I play c6 now. Take this. Take the free piece. Bring the queen back. Oh, he doesn't want to exchange. Oh, Greek gift. Thank you. What is this happening? Oh, where is the checks? I need to start giving checks. Yep, flag them. Wow, an 1800 win against 1800. Nice. Okay, against a 1900 now, playing white. I wanted to play Reti opening, but I'm playing something else now. Oh, flagged. Yeah, the position had a lot of open diagonals. I had to see quite a bit. Okay, against GG Gamer. Hello, GG Gamer. Let me berserk. D4 he plays. Let's go into Nimzo Indian. No, just normal D4, D5. Oh no, my queen. Ah. Oh wow, close to a mate. It's a mate and one, right? My king is on a dance now. Oh, flagged also. Yeah, there was a mate for sure on that game. Okay, against the star, let me berserk. Thanks for berserking back, star. Oh, barely there. Wow, that was a close flag. Oh, Dominic the boss says, why aren't you reading the chat? Okay, do you want to play some Ultra? And why do you have same color? Why aren't you reading the chat? Oh, hello Dominic. I also see your Ultra streams. They also happen during this time. Yeah, I'm playing one color because I'm just playing out some random stuff. Yeah, thanks for the follow. Yeah, thanks for the follow, Dominic. The problem is, yeah, I'll try out some other fancy thing like faces. Faces are also fun. So yeah, Ominic and Kanav Dargar, thanks for the follow. Yeah, let's go back to the tournament. So here I'm playing the faces set. I'm still not accustomed. I just maybe just stick to one color maybe. Yeah. So I'm right now against GG Gamer. Let me berserk. He goes D4. Oh no, manual castling didn't work that well. Free knight, but he didn't take it. My queen goes with a discovery. Let's trick this free bishop. What is happening? Why is he giving so many free pieces? Nice flagging by him. Okay, up against a 1600 player now. I'm white. D5 is attacked. Let's take it. Let's attack that queen. He might sack on G3 if he wants to. Oh no, there's some kind of lag here. I have to be careful about that. Let's exchange queens. Oh no. Sad. Oh, there goes. Oh yes. Oh, I won the rook at the end. Nice. That was a nice flagging session right there. Okay, up against Trova. I am black. Let me go knight f6. He aims. He wants this. Sack here. Maybe get the queen. He might be trying for the mate. Oh no. Oh no, mate is close. Maybe go G5 now. Yeah, mate in 1. Oh, yeah, at 0.89 seconds. I could have flagged him. That was quite close. Yeah, Dominic, I'll read the chats. But what's the name of this extension? I want to try it out. It's basically just some CSS code that you have to modify. You must be knowing Opera Vision and some other very good bullet, ultra bullet players and crazy house players. They play this, do all this CSS stuff. CSS is just nothing but the script for this code. Oh, flagged. That was quite close against Sheldon. 99. That was quite close. So yeah, Dominic, you have to download Stylus. So that's an extension, and then after that you have to paste some code into the Leeches CSS web thing. Oh, he isn't playing? Marcus? Where is Mark? Just play? Okay. Let's play Alak Heinz. Let's go here. Take that free piece. Take everything. Oh, the queen was hanging free. Let's give lots of checks and flag him. Yeah, so that was a good game. I was completely under control. Place d4. Let me go with my normal setup. Oh no, my rook keeps the queen. Okay. Oh wow, thanks for sacking that queen. But yeah, he's furiously taking every other piece. Wow. Oh, this endgame. Thankfully I took both the pawns. Let's give checks. Yeah. That was a very lucky bishop end game. Wow. That was a very lucky one. Okay, up against Phoenix Flame and I'm white. Let's continue Ammonia. Okay, thanks for the sack. It won't work most probably. Oh, free queen. He didn't take it. Nice. Oh no, could have mated him. Wrong pattern. Yeah, anyways. Going good. 32 points. So up against Sheldon, I have to get revenge from him. What is this? I don't know if there is a mate. There should not be a mate. Okay. Very, very close to a mate. What is this? Oh, free queen. Yeah, free queen. Didn't notice that. Oh no, should have promoted. Very close game against Sheldon again. Wow. Could you type the name of the extension in the chat? I'll type it right now, maybe. Let's me just play a few more games. What is this? Oh, misplayed this opening. Is this a mate? Oh, close to a mate. Very, very close to a mate. Wow. What an elaborate process. 3 queens in this game. Wow. And I had to keep track of each queen. Wow. Nice. Interesting. Okay, up against Alpha Zero. Strange. Alpha Zero plays knight d7. Goes for the h5. Oh no, this trick. I don't like it. Wow, free queen. Thank you. Free rook. Free bishop. Sorry about giving that queen. Yep, was able to flag. He had a knight in hand. Oh. Okay, Dominic, I'll just type the extension. It's user styles, and you can find Leech's user styles. You just have to Google search it, and also you have to download Stylus Chrome plugin. Yep, all these 3 things should do it. Against Dhruv. Hello, Dhruv. What is this knight maneuvers? Trying to confuse me. What is this? Oh, the queen was free. What is this? Terrible play from me. Quite terrible. Okay, gives the queen free. Now I have a pass pawn. I can try. I could have tried. That game was quite close. Oh. Oh no, flagged. I had 1 second. Oh, I was just thinking like a normal end game, like in an over the board chess. I just forgot it was ultra bullet. Wow. Wow, free queen. Thank you. Free rook incoming. Ah, wow, my internet flat. So I'll be just stopping the stream. Yeah, thank you for